If you're considering the purchase of a Hyundai Tucson, you've made a great choice. The Tucson is one of the best sellers, and we'd like to share a few reasons why so many customers have chosen it. Under the hood is a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, which gets an impressive 30 miles per gallon highway and boasts 176 horsepower. With a 60/40 folding rear seats, the Tucson has 55.8 cubic feet of cargo space, enough room for a mountain bike. An IIHS top safety pick due to features like vehicle stability management, active head restraints, and 6 airbags, the Tucson offers a sense of security when on the road. GLS models come standard with heated front seats for the comfort of the driver and passenger in wintertime driving. The limited trim models will come equipped with a proximity key and a push-button start, which allows you to leave the key in your pocket or your purse when entering or starting the vehicle. As you continue your research on the Hyundai Tucson, we suggest you continue your search at Morrie 394 Hyundai. At Morrie 394 Hyundai, we do things a little bit differently. Our goal is to help you find the right car that best fits your needs and make sure that you buy happy. When you purchase a new car from Morrie, you're buying with confidence thanks to our exclusive Buy Happy promise, which provides you with long-term value lasting well beyond the initial sale. Our Buy Happy promise includes our best price first, pure and simple, unlimited free car washes, no cost oil changes, rewards points towards the purchase of your next car, and our exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. At Morrie's, we're focused on a long-term relationship, not just a quick sale. Throughout the average ownership experience, the value of our Buy Happy promise exceeds $4,000. We know you'll have a great buying experience here at Morrie's, but don't just take our word for it. Marketing research shows that the purchase experience at Morrie's is significantly better than what you'll find in the Twin Cities metro. As a result, over 94% of our customers plan on shopping with us again. So before you shop elsewhere, you owe it to yourself to consider Morrie's. To learn more about the Hyundai Tucson, call us at 952-449-2000.